handle that one. I'm just going to melt a bit of brass. I want to cut the brass bars and something else. So there's some aluminium in my doodly crucible. There's some aluminium in there I gotta get rid of. Let me get rid of this alley. Trying to do it early morning. So I'm not cooking all day. Right, that's all the brass I got here, so should be enough. That is hot. So we poured our brass. I wasn't happy with that one. I don't think it was hot enough, and that, funny enough, is the main one. So it doesn't matter, does it? It doesn't matter. We can always do it again. So let's see what we ended up with. Hopefully it's gone off. I've tried to leave it as long as I could. So there we have one. That's a thin one, that's thicker. And then we have the actual thing we was playing with, which, as I said, didn't work. Bastard. It didn't come right away through. It just wasn't hot enough. So another fail. We know that's definitely thick enough to fit in there. So be careful, this stuff stays hot for... Oh, look at that, look at that. So that would have been a bit sloppy anyway, wouldn't it? Look, that's a bit, see, that's a bit sloppy anyway, so we'll see. That was a fuck up. You gotta be careful because it stays fucking warm. So I think that would be sloppy as well. So sloppy, sloppy, hotty, sloppy, and that's the one we want. So we've got to lay that down in a lathe, but don't work. Are you going to do that, Rob? I don't fucking know. I poured the rest into a bucket of water, and that's what you get. Nice, isn't it? Nobody but me while wearing my makeup. I'm a fake fucker.